In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ABCD pattern on Tradingview, quick and easy. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart. This can be any market or time frame you like because the ABCD tool is the same everywhere. Once your chart is open, move your attention to the upper left side of the screen. That's where most of your drawing tools and patterns are located. Look for the patterns or drawing tools icon in that upper left toolbar and click on it. When the list opens, you'll see a variety of tools, and among them is the ABCD pattern. Go ahead and select the ABCD pattern from that list. Once you click it, your cursor will change, and you're ready to start plotting on the chart. Now let's draw the pattern itself. With the tool active, click on your chart to create your first point, which will be point A. This should be at the start of the move you want to analyze. Next, move your cursor to where that initial move ends and click again to mark point B. Then, move your cursor to the retracement area and click to set point C. Finally, move to the next swing in price and click once more to create point D. You now have a complete ABCD pattern on your chart. At this stage, it's helpful to understand what the pattern is doing for you. The ABCD pattern highlights a measured move. AB is the first leg, BC is the correction, and CD is the second leg. Traders often use it to spot potential reversal zones or to visualize symmetry in price movement. On Tradingview, this visual framework makes it easier to compare the size of the legs and see if the market is respecting that structure. You can move or adjust the entire pattern at any time. Just click on it and drag the points to different swings on your chart. This is useful if you want to test the pattern on multiple areas without redrawing it from scratch. You also have a lot of customization options. You can open the templates section for the tool and adjust the color of the pattern, the color of the text labels, and the line width so it stands out clearly against your background. In the settings menu, you can fine-tune how the pattern looks and behaves, then lock it so you don't accidentally move it, or remove it entirely when you're done. You can also click on the three dots for more options related to visibility and management. Overall, the ABCD pattern tool on Tradingview is a simple but powerful way to structure price action and bring more clarity to your chart analysis.